Using Affirm at Costco is a convenient way to finance your purchases with flexible payment plans. To get started, create an Affirm account on their website or mobile app, providing basic personal and financial information. Once you have an Affirm account, navigate to the Costco website or visit a Costco warehouse. Add the items you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout. When prompted to select a payment method, choose Affirm as your financing option. You will be redirected to the Affirm website to complete the financing application. Affirm will perform a soft credit check and provide you with a financing decision. If approved, review the loan terms, including the interest rate, repayment schedule, and total amount due. If you agree to the terms, confirm your financing application and complete your purchase on the Costco website. Your Affirm loan will be repaid in monthly installments, which can be managed through the Affirm app or website. To avoid late fees, ensure you make timely payments and keep track of your repayment schedule. It is also essential to review the terms and conditions of your Affirm loan before confirming your purchase. Using Affirm at Costco offers a convenient financing option for large purchases, allowing you to buy now and pay later with flexible payment plans. By following these steps and understanding the terms of your loan, you can make the most of this financing option and enjoy your purchases from Costco.